Hi, Susan here, and I'm inside SBI's Solo Build It Site Central. And today I'm going to show you how to edit a page. I've only started the site 2 days ago, so what we're going to do is add partial review for Solo Build It website platform. As an aside, I'm an affiliate for both SBI Solo Build It and Rank IQ. AI is fantastic actually. You need all the help you can get at times when you get that blank screen of death facing you. So here we go. What we're going to do is I'm going to show you the website that we're on. And what I want to do is we're looking at website related, website. We're going to check out these website hosts and builders. I'm going to work on this page here, the Solo Build It Review. Alright, so what I've got to do is go find it. Solo Build It Review, it's a draft. And I'm going to edit it. Nearly deleted it then, that would have been great, right. Wouldn't be the first time things go wrong. Right, so here we are. This is what I put in roughly as placeholder text. So what we're going to do is leave that, so I kind of like it, it's a mini introduction. But when I paste it in, my copy, Rank IQ lets me know what words need to be in. And when you first start, you start out as an F. And then with your addition of the keywords in the right places, of course, you're going to read everything through. If it doesn't make sense, nobody's going to read it. So you need to pay attention to that. So what I'm going to do now is grab a headline. This is just for demonstration purposes. Obviously, I am going to make sure this is all present and correct. I'm going to go over to here again. Now I'm going to grab on a text block. And I can do all this. I'm going to copy it, paste it over. I am just going to check now that it's using my, yes, Quattrocento, good, 22 pixel, excellent. This is my first time doing this, by the way. So now I'm going to put AI integration coming soon. Let me just see where I'm at. On the page here are the two menu bars. That's for mobiles only. That is for desktops and tablets. That is your breadcrumb for the page. Then we've got a site-wide dot, meaning anything you put on a site-wide dot replicates throughout the site. When you don't want something on a certain page, for instance, I've got the bio. Let's say you don't want the bio on the disclaimer page. You simply minimize it, okay? But I do want it to be here. So that's what those little pink dots are. And if you hover over them, you'll say, that's below the first paragraph. Yep, that's true. It's just better for AdSense placement that you follow. Now then, above socialize it, well, that's way down at the bottom. So I'm now going to drag my content here. And I'm going to use a reusable block that I create these blocks myself. And it's just one break in HTML. Don't do this. That's lazy, right? Put a proper BR, as I call it. So this doesn't go on too long. I am just going to put this last paragraph in. Not last for this demonstration, that is. And it's H2. Grab the text. And I'm just going to put this in. Because I need to tease all the other people that are reading this. Don't want to leave them hanging. But I am now going to actually, as a disclaimer, just put full information coming soon, right? So I don't like something to be like left hanging there. And we're going to, I'm not going to do the analyze it, it's pointless. It's nothing like built out, but I'm going to preview it for a second. and we'll just see what it looks like. That's the last thing it was looking at. Just as proof that there we are. Okay, we are now going to build it. Now then, what we want to do is have that link out, don't we? So I'm going to go back to here. I'm going to just pull anything up for a minute, and AI writing tools. Oh, there we go. There's. Oh, I'm not doing that, Susan. I'm getting mixed up here. Website related. Yes, we are doing that. I beg your pardon. No, we're not. I will have to edit this out. We are doing. Thank you, Susan. There we go. Website host. We are doing this, aren't we? So I now need to go back to this page, which is website host and builder. So I'm going to go back to website host and builder, reviews, edit. By the way, if you did accidentally hit the delete, it would say, are you sure you want to delete it? So, you know, you have to bear that in mind. It's not that easy to delete something. Which reminds me of my mom. She was scared to death to even touch your computer because she thought she'd erased the whole hard drive just by looking at it. Bless her. Okay, Solo Build It review. That's what we were working on, right? I'm going to go there to the links. We're now going to find it here. Solo Build It review. That's what we've just made live. Going to select that. I'm going to have it so it opens up into a new tab. If it was going to something that is a direct sale, like going to Amazon or something, then you would hit the no follow. All right, bear that in mind. I am now going to build that. So it now links from one to the other. Now we're going to go back to here, refresh the page. Let's see if I can remember website related, website host and builder. And there we go. There's the review. And there it is. Right? I'm going to go now so I can finish this page off for good. Thank you for watching. There'll be a lot more coming up, so stay tuned. Bye for now. I'm going to figure out how to turn this off now. Bye.